Today, we're diving deep into how to use capacity planning in ServiceTitan. This isn't just about understanding a feature. It's about unlocking a strategic advantage that can redefine your business's efficiency, profitability, and customer satisfaction. We'll explore the core principles of capacity planning, how ServiceTitan empowers you to implement them seamlessly, and practical strategies to leverage this powerful tool for maximum impact. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's establish a common understanding. What exactly is capacity planning in the context of a service business? At its heart, it's the process of determining the production capacity needed by an organization to meet changing demands for its products or services. For you, this means understanding your technicians' availability, their skill sets, the typical duration of different job types, and the fluctuating patterns of customer demand. It's about looking at your current resources and projecting how they align with your future needs. Now, why ServiceTitan? Because it's more than just a scheduling tool or a CRM. ServiceTitan is a comprehensive platform designed to give you a holistic view of your operations. Its robust features, particularly its scheduling and dispatching modules, are built to facilitate sophisticated capacity planning. It takes the guesswork out of resource allocation and empowers you with data-driven insights. So, how do you actually do this in ServiceTitan? Let's break it down into actionable steps. Step 1. Define and standardize your services and job types. The foundation of accurate capacity planning lies in clear data. Within ServiceTitan, ensure all your services are clearly defined with standardized durations. For instance, if you offer AC repair, define an average time for a standard repair versus a complex one. This standardization helps in estimating workload accurately. Go to your price book, and for each service, ensure the estimated duration is as precise as possible. This is crucial because when a job is scheduled, ServiceTitan uses this duration to calculate the technician's time commitment. Step 2. Accurately configure technician skills and availability. Your technicians are your primary resource. ServiceTitan allows you to meticulously manage their profiles. For each technician, go to their employee profile and accurately define their skills and certifications. Are they HVAC certified? Do they specialize in plumbing? This is vital for skill-based dispatching. Equally important is their availability. Set their regular working hours, assign days off, and input any planned vacations or training. This ensures ServiceTitan knows exactly when and for what types of jobs each technician is available. Remember, the more detailed and accurate this information, the better ServiceTitan can help you plan. Step 3. Leverage ServiceTitan's scheduling and dispatching features. This is where the magic truly happens. ServiceTitan's dispatch board is your command center. As jobs come in, whether through phone calls, online bookings, or recurring service agreements, they need to be scheduled. Smart scheduling. When creating a new job, ServiceTitan can intelligently suggest the best technician based on their skills, availability, and geographic proximity. This isn't just about filling a slot. It's about optimizing travel time and ensuring the right person is assigned to the right job. Color-coded dispatch board. The dispatch board visually represents your technician schedules. You can quickly see who is busy, who is available, and who is traveling. This visual cue is invaluable for identifying immediate capacity issues or opportunities. Job types and capacities. ServiceTitan allows you to assign specific job types to specific technicians or teams. For example, if you have a team dedicated to new installations, you can set up their capacity separately, ensuring you don't overbook them with routine maintenance calls. Step 4. Utilize reporting and analytics for proactive planning. ServiceTitan is rich with data. Don't let it sit idly by. Regularly pull reports on technician utilization rates. See how much time your technicians are spending on billable jobs versus idle time or travel. Low utilization might indicate overstaffing or inefficient scheduling. High utilization, on the other hand, could signal a need for more technicians. Job completion times versus estimated times. Identify discrepancies. Are certain job types consistently taking longer than estimated? This feedback loop is essential for refining your service durations in Step 1. Demand trends. Analyze historical data to identify peak seasons, days of the week, or even hours of the day when demand is highest for specific services. This allows you to forecast future demand more accurately and proactively adjust your staffing levels. For example, if you know AC repair calls spike in summer, you can plan to hire seasonal technicians or adjust existing technician schedules accordingly well in advance. Missed opportunities. Track calls where you couldn't schedule a service due to lack of capacity. This is a direct indicator of lost revenue and a clear sign you need to scale up your resources. Step 5. Implement proactive resource allocation strategies. Based on the insights gained from your reporting, adjust staffing levels. If your reports show a consistent shortage of technicians in a particular skill set or during specific periods, it's time to consider hiring. Conversely, if you have consistently low utilization, you might need to reevaluate your current staffing. Cross-training. Identify skill gaps among your technicians. If you frequently find yourself short on, say, boiler repair specialists, consider cross-training some of your existing plumbers. This increases your overall operational flexibility. Optimize travel routes. While not strictly capacity planning, efficient routing through ServiceTitan directly impacts your technicians' productive time. Less time on the road means more time on jobs. Leverage recurring services. Actively promote service agreements and recurring maintenance. This provides a baseline of predictable revenue and workload, making capacity planning much easier. You know these jobs are coming, allowing you to allocate resources far in advance. Consider overtime or subcontracting. For short-term spikes in demand, rather than hiring permanent staff, consider offering overtime to existing technicians or engaging trusted subcontractors. ServiceTitan can help you manage these external resources as well. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.